Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you two functionalities of Rhino that are very useful when dealing with complex projects and a lot of geometry. For this we will be using one of my projects, which is a greenhouse building, as you can see here, and it consists of various building components. And you see the outer translucent skin here being held by the wooden structure, and we also have some functional areas, and we have gardening, terraces for farming, and also a lot of vegetation inside. The first tool we're gonna see, it's called the Layer State Manager. So you can go to the command line and type Layer State Manager, and then you will see this window at the right side. A state will mean how things are being displayed in Rhino. It's a combination of layers that are turned on or off. I have already some examples. We can see one by one. All visible, you see all the elements. If we now see glass, all the glass elements are visible. Now I go to the layer window and all the rest are being turned off. And if I go to greenery, I see all the elements that are green. And you see here also the rest are being turned off. Let's see another one. Landscape, I already have the first floor and the greenery and vegetation. And I also have wooden structures. So now let's go back to the glass state, and I want to show you now that you can also make changes on the material and other properties. If you see this window right below, you see all these elements: color, line type, print color, and so on. These are being checked. That means that all these elements can be saved as a state. I have an example here in glass blue. What I change is the color of the glass, and I want to show you how you can do it. You go to the layer window, then you can go and change the material color to a green color, and now you go to the state manager, you create a new one, and we can call it glass green, and that's it. We have a new state. We have normal glass, glass green, and glass blue. So the next tool I want to show you, it's called name selections. As in the layer state manager, you go to the command line and then you type name selections, and then you have this window at the right side. I have saved already some selections that we can see. Let's see now trees. So now you see all the trees being selected. I have also farming, I have glass, and so on. And the way it works is very simple. You just go and select your elements, and you go to this icon here, this plus symbol, and you type selection, let's say 01, and I have it, a new selection saved. This works very well with the command isolate, where it hides all the rest and isolate your selection. And now, as you can see, you're able to perform changes on the geometry without having to deal with the rest. And once you're done, you can type show, and everything will be shown again. Another great feature of name selections is that you can also retrieve extra information. Let's say, for instance, the selection farming, I see that I have 8 block instances, and in the selection trees I have 45 block instances, 2 surfaces, and 2 poly surfaces. This can be very useful when quantifying the number of elements. These tools are very useful when dealing with complex projects, and they can speed up your process of design. So I really recommend you to use them. I hope you like this tutorial, and if so, please share it. Take care. Ciao, ciao.